Hello. This deep pore cleansing routine is designed for acne-prone and oily skin. It helps remove blackheads, reduce excess oil, and support healthy skin texture. This method is commonly used in professional skincare treatments.
Step 1. Understanding beauty and skin stins, TAPES. Before applying any product, before following any routine, the first and most important step is understanding your skin. Every skin is different. Main skin types. 1. Normal skin, balanced oil and moisture. Smooth texture. Few breakouts. 2. Dry skin, feels tight, rough, or flaky, needs hydration and nourishment. 3. Oily skin, excess oil production, shiny appearance, prone to acne and blackheads. 4. Combination skin, oily T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, dry or normal cheeks. 5. Sensitive skin, reacts easily. Redness, itching, burning sensation. Needs gentle care, why this step matters. Using the wrong products can damage your skin, cause acne, pigmentation, or premature aging. Beauty care starts with knowledge, not products. Step 2. Daily cleansing. The foundation of beauty cleansing is the heart of beauty care. Without clean skin, no cream or serum can work properly. Why cleansing is important. Removes dirt and pollution, clears excess oil, prevents acne and dullness, allows skin to breathe. How often to cleanse? Morning. Morning veil buildup from night. Night. Remove makeup, dirt, pollution. Correct way to cleanse. 1. Wet your face with lukewarm water. 2. Take a coin-sized amount of cleanser. Massage gently in circular motions. 4. Focus on nose, chin, forehead. 5. Rinse thoroughly. 6. Pat dry with clean towel. Never rub harshly. Gentleness is beauty's best friend. Step 3. Toning, restoring skin balance. After cleansing, the skin needs balance. That's where toner comes in. Benefits of toner: shrinks open pores, restores skin pH, removes leftover dirt, prepares skin for moisturizer. How to use toner: take toner on cotton pad or palm, gently pat onto face. Do not rub, let it absorb naturally. Choose alcohol-free toner for daily use. Step 4. Moisturizing. Feeding the skin. Moisturizing is non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Even for oily skin. Why moisturizer is important: prevents dryness, maintains elasticity, protects skin barrier, delays aging signs. How to apply: 1. Take a small amount. 2. Dot on forehead, cheeks, nose, chin. 3. Massage upward. 4. Include neck area. Night moisturizer should be slightly richer than day cream. Step 5. Sun protection. Our real beauty secret. If you do only *1 beauty step, let it be sunscreen. Why sunscreen is essential: prevents tanning, reduces pigmentation, slows aging, protects from skin cancer. Correct sunscreen rules: SPF 30 or higher. Apply 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours. Use even indoors. Gurdon sunscreen is not optional. It is daily protection. Step 6. Weekly exfoliation. Removing dead skin. Dead skin makes the face dull. Exfoliation removes it gently. Benefits: brightens skin, unclogs pores, improves texture, boosts glow. How often? Normal oily, 1-2 times per week. Dry sensitive, once a week. 9. Overexfoliation damages skin. Beauty is patience, not force. Step 7. Face masks. Deep care face masks provide intensive treatment. Types of masks: clay masks for oily acne skin, gel masks for hydration, cream masks for dry skin, sheet masks, instant glow. How to use: 1. Apply on clean face. 2. Avoid eyes and lips. 3. Leave for recommended time. 4. Wash off gently. 5. Moisturize. Step 8. Night care, repair mode. Nighttime is when skin heals. Night routine importance: cell repair, damage recovery. Deep nourishment. Night routine steps: cleanser, toner, serum, optionally night cream. Sleep is the most powerful beauty treatment. Step 9. Internal beauty. Diet and water beauty does not come only from products. Essentials. Drink 2-3 liters of water daily. Eat fruits and vegetables. Reduce sugar and junk food. Include healthy fats. Healthy inside equals glowing outside. Step 10. Hygiene in habits. Small habits make big difference. Clean makeup brushes. Don't touch face repeatedly. Remove makeup before sleep. Change pillow covers weekly. Step 11. Serums. Target beaded care. Now let us talk about serums. Serums are lightweight, fast-absorbing products designed to solve specific skin problems. Why serums are important: deep penetration into skin, high concentration of active ingredients, faster and visible results. Common types of serums. 1. Vitamin C serum, brightens skin, reduces dark spots, improves glow. 2. Hyaluronic acid serum, hydration, boost plump skin, reduces dryness lines. 3. Niacinamide serum, controls oil, reduces acne marks, improves texture. 4. Asterectinol serum, night only, anti-aging, reduces wrinkles, improves cell renewal. How to apply serum? Apply on clean, toned skin, use 2-3 drops only, 2 skin. Wait 1 minute, then moisturize. More product does not mean better results. Consistency is beauty's secret. Step 12. Acne care. Calm, not fight. Acne is common. Acne is natural. Acne is manageable. What causes acne? Excess oil, bacteria, hormonal changes, stress, poor diet. Acne care rules. Never squeeze pimples. Avoid harsh scrubs. Use gentle cleanser. Keep skin hydrated. Simple acne routine. Morning. Gentle cleanser, oil-free moisturizer, sunscreen. Night. Cleanser, acne treatment, spot only, light moisturizer. Step 13. Blackhead and whitehead care. Blackheads and whitehead care. Blackheads and whiteheads occur when pores get clogged. Prevention tips: regular cleansing, weekly exfoliation, clay masks once a week, safe removal rule, never use sharp tools at home. Improper removal causes scars. Healthy pores equals clear skin. Step 14. Pigmentation and dark care. Pigmentation affects confidence, but with proper care, it can be reduced. Causes of pigmentation: sun exposure, acne marks, hormonal imbalance. Aging care routine: daily sunscreen, vitamin C serum, morning, niacinamide, night, gentle exfoliation weekly. Results take time, but they come. Step 15. Under care. Delicate beauty and skate beauty. Underskin is very thin. Common problems: dark circles, puffiness, fine lines. Care tips: sleep 7-8 hours, reduce screen time. Use eye cream with ring finger, gentle tapping only. Cold spoons or cucumber slices can help puffiness. Step 16. Lip care. Often ignored beta lips need care too. Lip care routine: exfoliate lips once a week. Apply lip balm daily. Use SPF lip balm in daytime. Apply thick balm at night. Soft lips complete a beautiful smile. Step 17. Facial massage. Natural lifting facial massage improves circulation and glow. Benefits: relaxes facial muscles, improves blood flow, natural lifting effect. How often? 3-4 times a week. Use oil or gel. Massage should always be upward and outward. Step 18. Steaming. Opening the pores. Facial steam helps deep cleaning. Benefits: opens pores, removes impurities, improves mask effectiveness. Rules: steam once a week, only 5 to 7 minutes maximum. Moisturize immediately after too much steam damages skin barrier. Step 19. Skin care by AG group. Teenagers 13-19. Gentle cleanser, light moisturizer, sunscreen 20s. Cleanser serum, moisturizer, sunscreen 30s and above. Anti-aging serum, eye cream, rich night cream. Beauty routines grow with age naturally. Step 20. Makeup and skin health balance. Makeup is art. Skincare is care. Healthy makeup habits: always remove makeup before sleep. Choose skin-friendly products. Avoid heavy makeup daily. Clean brushes weekly. Healthy skin needs less makeup. Step 21. Body care. Full beauty, not just face. Beauty does not stop at the face. Body care routine: daily shower, gentle body scrub, weekly moisturize after bath. Use sunscreen on exposed areas. Neck, hands, and feet reveal age faster. Care for them. Step 22. Hand and foot. Care hands and feet. Care hands and feet work hard every day. Simple care. Apply hand cream daily. Scrub feet weekly. Trim nails regularly. Use foot cream at night. Clean hands and feet reflect self-care. Step 23. Hair and scalp beauticonions. Hair care basics. Oil scalp 1-2 times weekly. Wash with mild shampoo. Avoid excessive heat styling. Trim hair regularly. Hair is your natural crown. Step 24. Stress and Buddhist stress shows on the face. Stress management. Deep breathing, meditation, proper sleep, positive mindset. Peaceful mind equals glowing skin. Step 25. Come on, beauty mistakes to avoid. Overusing products, skipping sunscreen, sleeping with makeup, using others' products, expecting overnight results. Beauty is a journey, not a race. Thank you for taking time to care for your skin today.